Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Till now, I have taught many complex topics on this channel using traditional board and chalk style and tried explaining things with all the mathematics involved. I hope you all would have enjoyed the difficulty of algorithms. आज मैं कुछ complex topics को easily visualize करके present करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ and I hope it works. This is another video in ongoing series of natural language processing, and in today's video we are going to look at word-to-vec model overview. If you would have seen in the previous videos on word-to-vec model, it is basically of two types. First one is CBOW or continuous bag of words, and second one is SkipGram model. These two variants are used to generate vector representation of words, जिसे हम embeddings कहते हैं. Embeddings are robust features which we can give as an input to any machine learning models. So word-to-vec एक feature extraction technique है. Now let us look at how CBOW model works. This model tries to predict target word given the context word. तो सारे surrounding words को input लेकर target word predict करता है और इसी prediction के process में it learns embeddings of all the words. हम शुरू करते हैं by obtaining one hot representation of the context words and then feed these one hot encoded words as input to our layered neural network to get the one hot encoded vector of target word. The weights obtained by hidden layer is the embeddings, और ये weight दोनों साइड होते हैं, input से hidden के बीच and hidden से output के बीच. And this is how CBOW model generates the embeddings. Now let us look at SkipGram model. It works same as CBOW model but in the opposite flow. इसका मतलब हुआ we have the target word as an input and give the context word as an output, and in the process of predicting the context words, it learns the embeddings. The one hot encoded vector shown here for the text in the blue is predicted by our model. Input में हम लोग target word की one hot encodings देते हैं जो red color से लिखा है, and we get output as one hot encodings of context words. Basically ये ऐसा हुआ कि we are looking at the CBOW model from the right to left and then we get the SkipGram model, and that is how we learn the embeddings or we generate the embeddings of the word-to-vec model using both the techniques. अभी embeddings generate तो कर ली, but इसका फ़ायदा क्या हुआ? There are few benefits that we get. पहला ये कि हमें words का mathematical representation मिलता है, which is robust and distributed over vectors. Second is we get size of vectors जो कि independent होती है vocabulary size से. Basic embedding techniques अगर याद होगी तो देखा होगा कि उसमें size of vectors equal होती है vocab size की. And finally we have the features for the models which can be fed into various deep learning and machine learning model. So this was all about today's video. Next we will see some more interesting topics. I hope you all would have enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe. We will meet again. Bye bye.